how to edit and change all your videos language at once on your YouTube channel on PC. So first thing you have to do is go to the top corner, click on YouTube Studio, and after you click on the YouTube Studio, click here on content, and here you will find all your videos. Or what you have to do is click here to select all your videos. Now click here on edit and go down to video language, and here as you can see, choose the video language that you want, and after you finish, click update videos. So all your videos gonna be changed. If this video was helpful for you, I hope you subscribe to our channel for more videos, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.